2026 Honda Accord. For decades, the Accord has stood as a benchmark for reliability, comfort, and everyday practicality. But the 2026 model takes things to the next level, combining bold new styling, advanced hybrid technology, and a premium interior that could rival luxury cars, and all while maintaining the value that Honda is known for. So let's break down exactly what makes the 2026 Honda Accord one of the smartest choices in its class. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Accord gets a fresh, more refined design that's both modern and sporty. Honda has given the front fascia a sharper look, featuring slimmer LED headlights and a sleek, mesh pattern grille that integrates seamlessly into the aerodynamic front end. The hood is slightly longer and sculpted for a more aggressive profile, while the side view showcases a flowing roofline that gives the car a coupe-like silhouette. Chrome accents and body-colored door handles add an elegant touch, while the rear gets redesigned LED taillights that stretch across the trunk, giving it a wide and planted appearance. The car rides on stylish 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels depending on trim, and the overall stance is lower, cleaner, and more athletic, clearly signaling that Honda's focus was on making the Accord look as dynamic as it drives. Moving inside, the 2026 Honda Accord offers a cabin that blends comfort, technology, and minimalism in a beautiful way. The interior feels more upscale than ever before, with premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and a clean horizontal dashboard design that enhances the sense of space. Front and center is a large 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, the biggest ever fitted in an Accord, offering wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google integration, and a highly responsive interface. The 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster adds a futuristic touch, allowing drivers to customize their display for navigation, fuel efficiency, or driving data. The seating experience is exceptional, with available perforated leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and power adjustment with memory settings for the driver. Heated and ventilated seats are available up front, and even rear passengers get generous legroom and comfortable recline angles, something Honda continues to excel at. The cabin is also incredibly quiet, thanks to thicker glass, extra insulation, and active noise cancellation. The 2026 Accord also gets ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and an available 12-speaker Bose premium sound system that turns every drive into a concert-like experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Accord continues Honda's hybrid-first strategy. Most trims are powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder hybrid powertrain paired with two electric motors, delivering around 205 horsepower combined. The system is tuned for smoothness and instant torque, making city driving effortless and highway cruising refined. Honda's advanced eCVT transmission ensures quick response and efficiency, and the transition between electric and gas power is nearly seamless. For those who prefer a traditional gas setup, the base model still offers a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing around 190 horsepower, reliable, efficient, and well-suited for daily use. On the road, the Accord feels composed, agile, and surprisingly fun to drive. The steering is precise and well-weighted, giving excellent feedback, while the suspension strikes the perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. Honda's engineers have fine-tuned the chassis for improved rigidity and handling. Stability, so whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway, the Accord feels planted and confident. The hybrid variant also benefits from regenerative braking, which adds smooth deceleration and helps recharge the battery while driving. Fuel economy is one of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Accord, with the hybrid models achieving up to an impressive 48 miles per gallon combined. That makes it not just efficient, but also ideal for drivers who want performance without frequent stops at the pump. Safety remains a top priority for Honda, and the 2026 Accord comes standard with the latest Honda Sensing suite of driver assistance features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, traffic sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera system, blind spot information, and parking sensors for complete peace of mind. As for pricing, the 2026 Honda Accord starts around $29,000 for the base model and goes up to about $38,000 for the top touring hybrid trim. Considering the level of tech, comfort, and refinement it delivers, the Accord easily punches above its price point and stands strong against rivals like the Toyota Camry, Hyundai Sonata, and Nissan Altima. What truly sets the 2026 Accord apart is how perfectly it balances everything. It's stylish yet practical, powerful yet efficient, and packed with advanced features while remaining affordable. The driving experience feels mature and confident. The interior feels premium, and the technology feels futuristic. In short, Honda hasn't just updated the Accord. It has refined it into something that feels timeless and forward-looking at the same time. If you're searching for a sedan that offers the best mix of reliability, performance, and sophistication, the 2026 Honda Accord is easily one of the best options on the road right now. This is AutoNext, and that was our full review of the 2026 Honda Accord. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to AutoNext, and stay tuned for more reviews of the latest cars redefining modern driving.